So it's a very unfair war crimes tribunal. So there is no impartiality about this tribunal at all by having some sort of unfair rigged trial. What you get there is a stain on your history. So you're getting a very biased form of justice indeed.
Even having all those false charges, Saidi wants to help Honorable Prime Minister for the sake of the welfare of Bangladesh. He says,
Prime Minister, we are your well-wisher. We want you to be in government for 5 years with good governance. You should know those people who are with you. They are those people who destroy the popularity of your father, the architect of independence, late President Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, whose fame was so high. They defame your father and you made them minister. They will do the same with you what they did with your father.
it is very clear from his speech that he wants Bangladesh as a country of peace and harmony, where people of all religion will perform their own religion and they will have the right to spread the message of their religions. The case in which Saidi is imprisoned, renowned lawyer barrister Rafiq commented about the invalid witnesses. He said,
It is really surprising. All the witnesses are saying that they don't know Saidi. The case is not going in proper direction. Their action is improper.
It's not proper. It's not proper. It will have a challenge for them.
Country's well-known intellectuals think about him.
What was the role of Delaware Hossain Saidi? Even he was not the leader of Jamaat and was not famous. He had no power to do crime against humanity at that time. Why he was claimed, I don't understand. Listen carefully. They have made the tribunal much funny and ridiculous. Who the people are doing politics with the spirit of liberation war? They are the big abuser of the liberation. These politics, how it is injected in the vein of the nation. Today, if anyone criticizes Awami League's activity, he will be addressed as BNP or Jamaat. What is it? You become astonished. Where it's gone? If opposition party arrange any program, it will be called as the conspiracy to stop the war crime tribunal. I want to make it contextualize. Bangladeshi politics has some poisonous gas. Some non-productive debates are continuing year after year. One of them is so-called liberation force and anti-liberation force. Another is, if you talk about the spirit of liberation, it does not mean to sing the song of liberation or praising one or more leaders. You know, the fundamental two components of liberation was true democracy and fair economy. Was Awami League able to present true democracy or fair economy? Then why you people are crazy about liberation spirit? Those are the fundamental component of freedom fight. War crime tribunal is lesser than that.